goal was set at 4, but we exceeded with the 6 realizations. And Q3, the goal was set for 4, and so far, in the month of December, we have achieved 2 so far.
Yeah! Yeah!
So far.
Wow!
Q3 में तो हम मेरी दे रहे हैं। क्या चाहिए?
Okay, so in our clinic speech, the goal for first quarter was 20, but we had 6 realizations and in particular time and total we were down to 30. So in terms of our clinic speech, the points that I'd like to point out now was that once I came in as PP, there wasn't really a structure in this department. Actually, there wasn't really a department. So around 4 times we were effectively working. So it took some time to place in a new system that the previous MC had followed, which was EP managers. And then obviously now that you guys know we have directors and CS. So since then there's been 2 structural changes, but it was successful in quarter 1 quarter. There was extensive member education and training on OGX, which now leads, I think, successfully, like say that all my members in the department, not the new members, but all the old members, are very well educated on all the OGX processes. The main point why I couldn't really meet my goals was, one point was that when I came in the timeline from the previous GP, it was a little static. So I couldn't really capitalize on the summer matching cycle. So the matching, there weren't as much matches as I would have liked. The races were done on time. The races were there, but the matches were. And unfortunately, we had 8 matches. So even though we got matches, but then there were 8 matches that were broken. Unfortunate circumstances like a person's grandmother passing away, or someone getting involved in an accident and hospitalized for 2 months. Recently we had a match broken because the person broke his leg. So medical emergencies, I think, hit IC Johor really hard in terms of outcomes. Other than that, I think it's pretty
Yeah.
My name is Myra and I'm the Vice President Marketing and Communication. In my portfolio for the first quarter, I kept a goal of 0 because I knew that coming right there was no events coming up, so we wouldn't really be raising. In the second quarter, there was a goal of around 350,000, and we actually made a little over that, 375,000. In this portfolio is over the project, so Kinza will come and give details on how exactly they went about their ER rating. So I wouldn't want to take any credit for that, honestly. The goal in the second quarter was 100,000, and we actually made 27,000, which was our recruitment sponsorship from Domino's. Then in the third quarter, the goal was around 470, something about 450, and we made around 400,000 so far.
Yeah.
In terms of external relations, in the department itself, we've been coming about with a lot of changes. We've made separate proposals for each single product that the LC has, like projects, recruitment, YPP, etc. And we've been working on making even separate proposals sent via email, and then separate ones will be taken on meetings. So we're focusing very heavily on actually having a good proposal when we go on these meetings. Secondly, we implemented the new structure that the MC has come up with. So now we have finally have a marketing team with 4 directors, 1 sales team, and also obviously the YPB OC itself. Other than that, in my department, I coached the OC recruitment on marketing and communication during their term. So their marketing campaign, posters, videos, etc., everything, like I just gave them guidance wherever it was needed. Like I mentioned, the ER raising was mostly done by projects, so Kinza will elaborate on that. In terms of partnerships, we had two media partnerships with Ink Magazine and Daily Lahore Post. and we had one printing partnership. These are all three annual partnerships for the year. We achieved less than our initial goals because during the summer most of us weren't here in the hall, so we couldn't really go on meetings to raise money. Other than that, we were scheduled to have a corporate networking event for which I would have made a proposal and went out and sold it, but we couldn't have that due to the fact that there were holidays in between because of dengue and everything. So we've shifted that event to a later date now. Scheduled future events that we will be having are YTD, NLC and the networking event itself. In terms of forms, we updated the website. It's a completely new website based now. I don't know how many of you have visited it. It's http://nums.edu. Sorry, isec.nums.edu.pk. So do visit it. And our Facebook page now has 1,400 likes, and we started with 400. And believe me, it's been a big achievement. And people used to keep inboxing me and saying that, oh, we never used to visit this page before, and we do now. So yeah, in terms of forms, generally we've been making more videos for each LC event, and for that, like the kids in my department are thanks. We've introduced newsletters, both internal and external. We've had media coverage for our projects and our recruitment in newspapers, blogs, etc. And we have a lot more initiatives coming up, which you will find out about that as well.
Hello everyone. Today I would talk about the anime. Hi everyone. So how this book was, I haven't divided into short quarters. This is everything which has happened since I have taken over to present day, and it's been compared with Q1, Q2 and Q3 of last year. So our goal for members was 85, we are at 105, so that's around what, some percentage increase. For leadership positions, our goal was 23, thanks to the new structure and the whole 4-tier structure that we've transitioned to. It's now at 38, which is a significant improvement. You're so... For most of my time since I've taken over taken with recruitment, I have to take no credit for that because I'm a fabulous post recruitment, as Hassan, Ahmed and Sarah was saying. Good job guys. So yes, we had recruitment coaching for the OC recruitment and the entire LC. The recruitment marketing campaign was also simultaneously across 2 campuses, LSE and LAMS. And it was a very extensive social marketing campaign and social networking. Yes, we have the first ever sponsorship for recruitment. This is the recruitment shirt I'm wearing. Hang on. There's a Domino's logo somewhere down there. We have 2 pizzas, so yeah. So yes, thanks to the OC recruitment, we had a sponsor for the recruitment, and we recorded the corporate, which was amazing. We had over 550 applicants, which, yes, due to issues, this was a bit of a logistical challenge. Secondly, with the whole lull in the economic activities, this marketing was a major challenge, and again, the OC recruitment managed that quite well. There were many issues, actually, there weren't issues, but there were many setbacks when they approached companies that none was willing to sponsor recruitment, or for some reason or other we weren't able to cater to their needs. But yes, we managed to in the end. Another issue was the machhar break that we had for all universities and schools and all public education institutions in Lahore. They were closed for a period of 2 weeks, right from the start of September. So that really scrunched our timeline and was a bit of a logistical challenge. Apart from recruitment, most of my fellows have already gone over this, but we have moved to a 4-tier structure with a new tier, the director level being added. So that has resulted in a larger number of leadership positions and leadership. Anyway, so the new structure implementation had its own issues, one of which was lack of knowledge on our own part, since this is the first time that it's being implemented, and we ourselves were very unsure as to how to proceed about this, and obviously there were growing pains as well. So overlapping theories again related to the same issue. Functional constraints was another issue that we faced because the MC provided us a certain structure, but then we had to tweak it and customize it to meet the realities, and it could not just be implemented directly as it was because our HR or other constraints impeded the implementation of the structure. That's all, folks.
My goal for this is basically our cash and bank, our goal and action plan. Our goal was in the first quarter to have around 450 to 5 lakh, and we ended up having 580. For the second quarter, our goal was around 700,000, and we ended up having 850,000. In quarter three, our aim was 850,000, and we ended up having 1.1 million. Incur as many expenses as I had accounted for initially, and also we weren't expecting this much success in project sponsorship, so that was one aspect. And then we also had a high amount of raising in ICS and ODI. So because of that, we ended up having more than what we did. One of my very important goals in finances was image building and active engagement, because in finances what we see is that members are not usually engaged, and they usually nobody applies for finances, and right now I already know two people who are applying for finance legal projects, so that's a big deal. Other than that, we successfully completed our internal audit, and we're now looking into opportunities in investments and other things. So project is basically a combination of ICS and ER. We go over this. We didn't aim for any realization in quarter one, we didn't have any. And in quarter two, I aimed for 2 realizations because that was the summer period, and that is when we have a lot of realizations. And we ended up having 3. And in quarter 3 again, I didn't aim for any, we haven't gotten any. In ER aspect, in quarter 1, we aimed to raise 20,000, and we did raise 20,000 exact amount. In quarter 2, we aimed for 150,000, and we ended up having 375,000. One of the reasons why our project was such a big success, especially Wisely More, because Wisely had the first P-Box project, launched the first project that usually qualifies to be called the P-Box in Pakistan, was because in the very early stage of our NCLM, we decided that we were going to keep projects as a priority, and therefore the entire structure and the entire network supported the growth. And fortunately, at the MC level as well, we had for the first time somebody who knew about projects. So Andrea and my entire team and the LC supported the entire network, and therefore we had the first ever P-Box session. Also, we have a well-defined functional structure because our projects basically functions as domains. So simultaneously there is marketing going on, there's communication going on, there's ICS going on. So basically our both the cross-portfolio communication was over, we were able to sell in this network. Then we've already taken up